My name's Rob Switzer. I'm a project manager with New River Electrical Overhead Line. Today we're out in Lynchburg, Virginia, working on 1.7 miles of rebuild of double circuit 69 kV and 34.5 kV line.
We're redoing old copper wire that was put up back in the 30s. It's brittle, very challenging to get out.
This line runs parallel to two separate railroads. Then it jumps up and runs parallel to a city street going through neighborhoods, crossing 3 more city streets before it ends in the substation. Our team has worked together with the railroad, with the utility, and with each other to come up with solutions and really overcome all these obstacles. Safety culture is #1 here at New River Electrical, and these guys have done an absolutely great job of adopting that and truly living up to it. One of our big challenges has been working in a residential neighborhood and making sure we're keeping the community safe at the same time as keeping all of our crews safe.
The most important part is be safe, to keep everybody safe, the public safe and the workers.
There's a lot of safety issues that come along with working on a railroad, but we've been able to work with the railroad flaggers to coordinate a safe work period in between the train traffic to ensure that our guys are out of harm's way and we're not impacting them as well. The existing line's been in service for almost 100 years, so it was definitely time to be replaced, and our guys were certainly up for the challenge.